Hello, my friends. Welcome to Fluent English. This episode is your 5-minute English shadowing practice. Even if you're busy, yes, even if you're walking, cooking, or lying in bed, you can do this right now. No excuses. You've got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. This is not just listening. It's speaking practice. So open your mouth and shadow with me. And make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't pause, don't skip. Stay with me until the end. Let's begin. All right, every day starts in the morning. When I wake up, the first thing I do is open the curtains. I open the curtains and let the light come in.
Now you say it. I open the curtains and let the light come in.
Then I take a deep breath and stretch.
Now you say it. I take a deep breath and stretch.
Great. Sometimes I don't want to get up. I think just 5 more minutes. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
Now you say it. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
Great. Then I finally sit up and check my phone. I check my phone for messages.
Now your turn. Say it slowly. I check my phone for messages.
After that, I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water.
Now you say it. I drink a glass of water.
Good. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee.
Now you say it. I make a cup of coffee.
I can't start my day without coffee.
Now you say it. I can't start my day without coffee.
I grab a quick breakfast. I grab a quick breakfast.
Now your turn. I grab a quick breakfast.
I skip breakfast when I'm late. I skip breakfast when I'm late.
Now you say it. I skip breakfast when I'm late.
I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock.
Now you say it. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock.
Sometimes I bring food from home. Sometimes I bring food from home.
Now you say it. Sometimes I bring food from home.
Other days, I eat at a small cafe. Other days, I eat at a small cafe.
Now it's your turn. I eat at a small cafe.
I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day.
Now it's your turn. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day.
Sometimes I like quiet lunches. I listen to music while I eat.
Now you say it. Sometimes I like quiet lunches. I listen to music while I eat.
After eating, I go for a short walk to feel fresh.
Now you say it. After eating, I go for a short walk to feel fresh.
In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake.
Now you say it. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake.
I focus on finishing my work. I focus on finishing my work.
Now you repeat. I focus on finishing my work.
When I finally get home, I just want to relax.
Now you say it. When I finally get home, I just want to relax.
In the evening, I like to take a short break. I sit down and relax for a few minutes.
Now you say it. I sit down and relax for a few minutes.
Sometimes I watch a video or listen to music. Sometimes I watch a video or listen to music.
Now your turn. Sometimes I watch a video or listen to music.
Then I think about dinner. I start preparing my dinner.
Now you say it. I start preparing my dinner.
I cook something simple and quick. I cook something simple and quick.
Now you say it. I cook something simple and quick.
Sometimes I order food instead. Sometimes I order food instead.
Now your turn. Sometimes I order food instead.
I eat my dinner and take my time. I enjoy my meal.
Now you say it. I enjoy my meal.
After dinner, I clean up the kitchen. I clean up the kitchen.
Now you say it. I clean up the kitchen.
Then I spend some quiet time. I read a book or scroll on my phone.
Now your turn. I read a book or scroll on my phone.
Sometimes I talk to my friends or family. Sometimes I talk to my friends or family.
Now you say it. Sometimes I talk to my friends or family.
At night, I start to feel tired. I get ready for bed.
Now you say it. I get ready for bed.
I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Now your turn. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Then I lie down in bed. I lie down and close my eyes.
Now you say it. I lie down and close my eyes.
Sometimes I think about my day. I think about what I did today.
Now your turn. I think about what I did today.
And slowly, I fall asleep. I fall asleep peacefully.
Now you say it. I fall asleep peacefully.
Great job. You just practiced your full day in English from morning to night.
And you did it step by step.
Keep doing this every day. Speak out loud and stay consistent.
You will feel more natural every time.
Thanks for staying with us till the end.
We'll see you in the next session.
I'm Peter.
And I'm Gwen.
And this is Fluent English. Keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. Goodbye, and see you next time.